In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to promote imported images to floating point precision on the GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up GIMP, and then you want to select the Edit tab up at the top, and then go down to where it says Preferences. On the left panel, select Image, Import, and Export. And then on the right side, underneath Import Policies versus Promote Imported Images to Floating Point Precision, go ahead and check mark that, and then select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.